Hello everyone. Today we'll show you how to use the AI Cell Translator template in Univer Go to translate cell contents. First, click New Workspace and choose the AI Cell Translator template. This will help us quickly create a new translation workspace, saving setup time. This template contains several core functions. Let's briefly introduce each of them. On Open. This function runs automatically when the workspace is opened and adds the translation functionality to the interface. You can quickly access the translation feature through the toolbar or right-click menu. Translate selected cells. This is the main function that controls the entire translation process, including checking selected cells, limiting the number of cells up to 100 cells, and translating the text one by one. It will automatically fill the translation results back into the original cells. Translate. This is the actual translation function, which uses an external API to translate the selected text into the specified language. By default, it translates the text into Chinese. Now, let's try it out. Select one or more cells with text in Univer Sheets, and then click the Translate to English or Translate to Chinese button on the toolbar. After clicking the translation button, the plugin will call the API and fill the translated results directly into the selected cells. As you can see, the translation feature is very efficient and accurate. Please note that the current API configuration uses a demo API key. To ensure stable use, we recommend registering and using your own API key. You can visit the Open Big Model website to obtain your key. By using AI Cell Translator, you can easily perform batch translations in Univer Go, greatly improving your work efficiency. If you like this feature, don't forget to like and follow. For more details, please refer to the latest tutorial on Univer official website.